Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to track miles or expenses using simpler apps. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to track your miles or expenses for business using simpler apps, you can simply use apps that help you automatically manage track your business like Everlance, MileIQ, or if you want an all-in-one app, you can also choose Hurdlr. So if you download any of the apps that I have mentioned, it will be very much easier for automatic mileage tracking as it is a great apps for individual and small teams looking to simplify mileage tracking for tax deduction. It will also help you use your phone's GPS to track your mileage automatically and lets you swipe to categorize trips as business or personal. So this is designed for simplicity and it allows you to have a real-time tracking as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.